DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 coming back in 2020. Got that coming up next. Recently, my source told me that the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 was going to be making a comeback in 2020. And the reason it's going to be making a comeback is that the parts that were missing are now in supply, and it will continue to be made by DJI. It's anticipated that it will go back on sale in January 2020, so stay tuned to BillTheDroneReviewer for all the latest news on that. The other part of this news is that this was further confirmed by DJI, is they put it out as part of their DJI affiliate review program. And I'll throw a couple of slides up on the screen, and I'll put a link in the description, so that's something you can definitely check out. Up until this point, the only DJI Phantom 4 products that were available were the DJI Phantom 4 RTK and the DJI Multispectral, which were enterprise type of drones. Question of the day. What do you think of DJI announcing that the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 will be back on sale? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.